Hi. Hey guys, it's Nigeria. Welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So, hi. I know it's been a while since I filmed a little video here for you guys, but I am back and better than ever. That's actually false. I don't know if I'm better than ever, but I'm definitely here for you guys. So I really want to get back to making videos because it's just like something that I really love doing and all that good stuff. So let's just celebrate that I'm back for a second. Cue the confetti and the music and all that good stuff. Okay. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, I'm going to be doing it's not every day because I literally don't do my makeup every day, because if you don't know me, hi, my name is Daijir. I have social anxiety, so I don't really be going places, but when I am forced to go out of the house, that's a joke, but when I go places like with my family and stuff, not even always, so say it's like a birthday or like somebody's baby shower, stuff like that, I do a makeup look that's pretty the same. Like I do the same makeup look every time, except I'll like change up the eye color. So today I think we're gonna do like a peachy pink type eye look, just because I want to do some blush. Like I've been really into blush, like a lot of blush recently, so we're gonna kind of incorporate that. And also I'm wearing black. I don't want to do like a black makeup look because it's just not that type of vibe today. But anyways, yeah, if you guys want to see my special occasion kind of every time makeup look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I already did my eyebrows off camera. Yeah, I already did them. They look like this. That's just how they look. I really need a better eyebrow routine because I feel like every time I'm like, this is my eyebrows. It is what it is. When everything's all said and done, I feel like they look okay with everything. But anyways, let's get started with the eyes. So I'm going to be priming my eyes with the Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 20. Actually, this one's pretty light. Let me do a different concealer. I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Concealer and Define Infinite Concealer in the shade C10 for my eyes. You guys like my new background? I just decided to do something a little bit different. I mean, it's actually not that different, just a little bit. I still have my plants and stuff. I just got this neon light for Christmas, and then like my cute little chaos thing. I also am in love with Funko Pops. This isn't even all of my Funko Pops. And that one is me in chaos. I know it's like out of focus because obviously it's the background, but yeah, that's my new background. Let me know what you guys think. I'm just gonna set my eyelids with this LA Colors like pressed powder in the shade Tan, and I'm gonna take that on this Juvia's Place brush. Just because it's kind of like you know, most of the time I'm going to things that aren't really for me. So like someone's baby shower, someone's birthday, dinner, whatever. So I don't want to do too much. So this kind of like brings down the eyeshadow. Like, guys, I'm really rusty. So if what I'm saying isn't making sense, please just bear with me. I'm rusty. It's been so long since I filmed the video. So yeah, because I kind of want to go for like a very pink, blushy, girly type vibe, for eyeshadow I'm going to be using the Saharian Blush Volume 1 and Blush Volume 2 palette from Juvia's Place. First I'm going to take the Blush Volume 2 palette. That's what it looks like. And I'm going to take Lena. I'm going to take that on this BH Cosmetics Tapered Blending Brush. I'm just going to put that on my outer corner and also blend it into the crease. I'm not gonna lie, I'm the type of person that if like it's a party for someone who's like in my family, I like to be there and help with stuff. So if I'm like feel like I'm doing it fast, it's kind of just like habit. So this is kind of like one of those makeup looks where I feel like I'm kind of like I can do quickly, but I can also take my time with it, if that makes sense. So if I'm moving really fast with my eyeshadow, that's kind of why. It's kind of just like a habit. Okay, now I'm going to take Tao from that same palette, it's the one above it, and kind of just put it in the same spot, but lower, to give it some blend. I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna take this Juvia's Place brush and just blend that out. I'm gonna take the Saharan Blush Volume 1 palette, which looks like this, and I'm gonna take Zane on this mange blending brush. Just put that on the outer corner and also into the outer part of the crease. I'm gonna take this Morphe M504 brush, just blend that out. And now I'm just gonna lightly cut my crease, like do like a half cut crease. Why am I looking at myself now at you guys? Okay, so I'm gonna lightly do like a half cut crease, and I'm gonna use the NYX Full Coverage Concealer in the shade CJ05. I actually don't know if they make this anymore. I hope they do because I love it. And I'm running out because I'd be letting my sister use it and she'd be like heavy handed with it. So I need to see if they make this still. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna lightly do a half cut crease. And this shade isn't super, like it's pretty much like kind of my skin color. Usually when I want to do like a very like intense cut crease, I'll use like a lighter shade, but because like I said, I kind of just want to do like a little something, it's kind of closer to my skin tone. Okay, and now I'm just gonna take this. Listen, I have a lot of non-name brand brushes. I'm pretty sure this is like an e.l.f. brush or something now, but I don't be knowing the names of them. I have way too many brushes to be knowing the names of every single brush. So now I'm gonna take this like bigger, thicker flat brush with that LA Colors pressed powder again, and just go over where I cut the crease. I'm gonna take that mange brush again and just blend out the cut crease with the leftover eyeshadow that was on the brush. I'm gonna do a wing eyeliner. I've been getting back into wing liners. Like usually I do like a little, so when I do like a nice like extravagant, I can't find the word, like a vibrant eyeshadow look, I like to do not like a wing eyeliner when I like take it, if you watch my videos you know, other than like blend it out. But because this is kind of on like the tamer side, I'm gonna do a wing eyeliner, and I'm just gonna take my like eyebrow brush. This is a Morphe E29 brush, and I'm gonna do a wing with this. And I'm gonna take a different brush to do like the in, like on my eye. I know it looks a little bit crazy now, but we're gonna fix it. This one needs fixing bad. So first I'm gonna prime with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, and the rumors are true, this primer is actually amazing. I wanted to like try it, and I got the small one for like Christmas or something, and it's actually amazing. So yeah, I'm gonna take off these huge ginormous earrings right now because I can't really do my face with these earrings on. If you guys can't tell, I'm sure you can, I have a little bit of darkness around my mouth, so I'm just gonna put some concealer there. Then I'm just gonna put some concealer around like my dark spots where I feel like I want some extra coverage. And for foundation, I really love the Fit Me foundation, and I use the shade 334. Yeah, this is like my holy grail foundation. I like it how it can be like light coverage, but you can also build it up to be like medium to full coverage. This is just like an oldie but a goodie. Like, I don't know, I just remember always using it, and I feel like it still holds up. So I'm just gonna take this foundation, and on a brush I'm gonna first put it on like the lower or like the top half of my face, but I'm kind of trying to avoid under my eyes. I love this foundation. Sponge, it's like an angled sponge, and I'm just gonna blend them out. Like I said, sometimes I use a brush, sometimes I use a sponge. It just kind of depends whether or not I remember to wet my sponges before I started. I do like a brush though. I'll probably go in with a brush after. please ignore my edges. It's hot in here. I feel like I'm sweating them out. I look crazy. Like, let's just be nice to each other and not talk about my edges. If you talk about my edges, you're entire black. I'm using the Real Techniques cheek brush. Now for concealer, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 20. I like a really bright under eye. And immediately I go right away and blend out my chin and my forehead and my nose. Just because I don't want it to be too bright. But I do want my under eye to be really bright. Now we're going to cream contour, and I'm just going to take this AVH stick foundation in Espresso. Use that same brush that I use for foundation. I'm going to wipe it off a little bit. And I'm going to start blending that out. For my chin, I make sure I blend down. Now I'm going to blend out my under eye with this Real Techniques sponge. And now I'm going to take one of my new favorite products, which is the Juvia's Place Liquid Blush in the shade Rosy Posy. I'm just going to do 2 dots on my cheek and 1 dot on my nose. I'm going to go ahead and blend that out with this BH Cosmetics No. 1 brush. Okay, and I'm going to set everything with this Makeup Revolution Luxury Banana Powder. Oh, you guys like my nails? I did them myself. Thank you. Yeah, we love her. We love a DIY queen. Okay, now I'm just gonna take this angled sponge, just set under my eyes. I'm gonna take this big Sumi Kashuk brush and just set the rest of my face. And I want to make sure you want to make sure you get like down your neck, just so it doesn't like come off. And I know I look kind of crazy and ghostly, but before we put on setting spray, I'm just gonna put on some bronzer, and I'm gonna use the Maybelline Full Coverage Powder Foundation in the shade 375 Java. So now what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to go off camera, put on a lash, and then I'll come back with you guys to do like lips and everything. I don't always do lips, but you know, since it's a video, we'll do it today and all that good stuff. So just give me 1 second. Okay, so I did my lashes, which are these Dye Silk lashes that I will link down below because I love them so much. Wait, my camera's shaking. Okay, and then I also put on a little bit of this Juvia's Place highlighter on my cheeks, Cupid's bow nose. Now I'm gonna line my lips with the NYX Liquid Suede lipstick in the shade 22. Now I'm just gonna put the Fenty Beauty lipstick on top. I almost forgot. Let me go do some faux freckles real quick. Give me a second. Okay guys, so this is my finished like special occasion makeup look. I'm kind of being like, I don't know, this is kind of like my everyday basic type occasion look, because if I'm going to like a concert, which by the way, I'm going to a Megan concert on the 21st. I'm so freaking excited. I'm gonna do like some crazy makeup probably, but this is just for like, you know what I mean, like casual events. So this is the finished look. I think it's really cute, and I feel like it's a little bit like, not only is it like kind of natural, it also gives that little like glam factor, which I love. So yeah, this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting here on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff is on the screen right here. It'll also be linked in the description box down below. I definitely want to start making videos again. My usual schedule is Monday and Friday. So hopefully we can get back to that. If not, 2 videos a week, definitely 1 video a week. So yeah, please subscribe. If you like me, you can watch another one of my other videos, and yeah, join the family and all that good stuff. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Okay.